In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually create an expense and attach a receipt. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to make sure your expense is accurate and easy to approve. Start by heading to the left-hand navigation and clicking on Expenses. This is your central hub for anything related to spending, reimbursements, and reporting. Once you're there, click New Expense to open a fresh expense entry. You'll now see a choice about how to add the expense. You can manually create it or upload a receipt. Uploading a receipt can let the system extract details for you, but today we're going to take full control and manually create the expense so every detail is exactly as you want it. Go ahead and click Manually Create. On this screen, you'll have the option to attach supporting proof of purchase. Click Select a file, then choose a file from your computer or device. This should be a clear image or PDF of your receipt. Make sure the document is legible. The merchant name, date, and total should be easy to read. If you have multiple pages, ensure they're all included in a single file so everything stays together. Next, click Add Merchant to add a merchant. Type the name of the store or service provider exactly as it appears on the receipt. Consistent merchant names make searching easier and keep your reports clean, especially when you're looking at spending trends over time. You can also add a category. Choose the category that best matches the purchase, things like travel, meals, or office supplies. Picking the right category helps budgets stay accurate and speeds up approvals since reviewers can immediately see where costs belong. Now add an amount for the grand total. Enter the full amount on the receipt, including tax and tips if they're part of the final bill. Take a moment to double check that the number matches the document you attached. A quick review now can prevent delays later. When you're satisfied with everything, click Save. Your expense is now recorded and the receipt is securely attached to the entry. If your organization uses approvals or reimbursements, the expense will follow your existing workflow automatically after saving. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Use clear file names before you select and upload them to make future searches easier. Keep file sizes reasonable for faster uploads. And if you're unsure about which category to choose, consult your team's policy guidelines. That's all it takes. Open expenses, start a new expense, choose manual create, attach your receipt, add the merchant and category, enter the grand total, and save. You're done.